How to archive emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can archive your emails on Gmail. So how do you go about it? Simple, okay, so just follow along. The first step is for you to sign in into your Gmail with any of your Google accounts. And then once you've done that, the next step is for you to go ahead and select the Google accounts that the emails that you would like to archive. So I'm just going to go ahead to select the emails that I would love to archive right away. So after selecting the emails that you would like to archive, just move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons. You can see the archive button, you can see the trash icon, you can see three dots by the top right side. By clicking on the three dots, you can see options of what you can do with the emails that you've selected. And just go ahead and click on the archive option. And then just like that, those emails will be archived. Is that simple? Just go ahead and select the emails that you would like to archive. Just long press on each of them. Okay, this way then click on archive and they will be archived. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.